A master does not use every tool at once. A master knows which tool to reach for and when. Over the past 10 episodes, you have been building your toolkit. Today, we assemble it. Today, we sharpen everything. Today, the framework becomes yours. Season 1, The 3 Pillars. Deduction with Aristotle, the reasoning of certainty. Induction with Hume and the Black Swan, the reasoning of patterns. Abduction with Peirce. Season 2, The Brain Behind the Reasoning, the predictive mind with Friston, the flash of insight with John Beeman, reading people with Ekman, the two systems with Kahneman, the invisible biases with Wason. 10 episodes, 2 seasons, 1 purpose: to build a sharper mind. Today, we finish the work. Welcome to the final episode of Season 2. Today, Charlie Munger's mental models, Nassim Taleb's antifragile thinking, and a complete personal reasoning framework you can begin using tomorrow. This is not a summary. This is a synthesis. A decision in medicine may require a model from statistics, like base rates applied to diagnosis. The person with one model sees every problem the same way. As the saying goes, to the man with only a hammer, everything looks like a nail. The person with a lattice of models sees the problem as it actually is. Nassim Taleb built his thinking on a foundation we already know, the Black Swan. But Taleb went further than Hume or Popper. He asked not just how to withstand uncertainty, but how to benefit from it. His concept, antifragility. Fragile systems break under stress. Robust systems resist stress. Antifragile systems grow stronger because of it. A mind trained in uncertainty, that expects prediction errors, that holds beliefs as hypotheses, that welcomes the black swan, is not fragile. It is anti-fragile. Here is the complete framework. 3 levels. Level 1, the reasoning tools. Deduction for what is certain. Induction for what patterns suggest. Abduction for what the evidence best explains. Level 2, brain awareness. Your brain predicts. Notice the predictions. Insight requires incubation. Create the conditions. Reading people is neural. Train the observation. System 1 is fast and wrong. Engage System 2. Level 3, bias defense. Seek falsification, not confirmation. Use base rates, not availability. Run the pre-mortem. Consult the devil's advocate. 3 levels. 1 coherent system. Yours. First practical tool, the decision journal. The single most powerful habit for building long-term reasoning skill. Every time you make a significant decision, write down 4 things. 1. What is the decision? 2. What is your reasoning? 3. What outcome do you predict? 4. What would change your mind? Then, come back in 3, 6, 12 months. What actually happened? Where was your reasoning accurate? Where did System 1 hijack it? The decision journal is a mirror. It shows you your actual reasoning quality, not the quality you imagine you have. Second practical tool, the reasoning checklist. Munger was obsessed with checklists. Pilots use them, surgeons use them. Not because they forget, but because under pressure, even experts skip steps. Before any major decision, run through these 6. Have I sought evidence that contradicts my conclusion? Have I run a pre-mortem? Have I checked the base rate? Have I identified which reasoning tool this situation needs? Have I given System 2 enough time? Have I consulted someone who disagrees with me? 6 questions, 5 minutes. The difference between a decision and a reasoned decision. Third practical tool, build antifragility into your thinking. Every prediction error, welcome it. It has just improved your model. Every black swan, study it. It has just revealed a gap in your induction. Every failed hypothesis, record it. It has just sharpened your abduction. Every bias caught, celebrate it. Your System 2 just caught System 1 in the act. The fragile mind seeks certainty and breaks when it does not find it. The antifragile mind builds on uncertainty, uses it, learns from it, grows stronger because of it. Before we close, a few words. Aristotle did not become the father of logic overnight. Peirce spent decades building the logic of discovery in near total obscurity. Kahneman spent 50 years studying errors before writing a book the world could read. Sharp reasoning is not a talent, it is a practice, built slowly, maintained daily, improved by every error you catch and every black swan you survive. You have now been given the foundation. What you build on it is yours entirely. Season 2 ends here, but Deductive Minds does not. In Season 3, we apply the framework, the reasoning of the courtroom, the diagnostic mind of the physician, the probabilistic thinking of the great investors, real environments, real decisions, the tools we have built in action. Stay with us. Thank you for every episode of Season 1, for every episode of Season 2, for bringing this kind of thinking into your week, your decisions, your life. If these episodes have changed even one way you reason, one assumption you now question, one fast answer you now pause on, then this channel has done exactly what it set out to do. Subscribe. Season 3 is coming. Leave a like. It helps more curious minds find this work. Share this episode with someone whose thinking you respect, and never stop sharpening the mind. Until Season 3, reason sharply. Observe precisely. Think deeply. The game is always afoot. Deductive minds, reason sharply, observe precisely, think deeply.